Hello everyone, welcome back to a Rising Genius Sudoku Challenge. Today we are going to play a Christmas themed Sudoku. It will be a 6x6 grid and medium level. Are you ready for some fun? Let's begin.
Hi.
We are going to do a Christmas version of Sudoku. It'll be so much fun. I can't wait for my presents. Let's start.
This is a 6x6 Sudoku. So we have 6 Christmas icons to fit into the big boxes in such a way that no Christmas icon or Christmas picture can repeat in the same row, they cannot repeat in the same column, and they cannot repeat in the same big box.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
Let's begin. Which one will you start with?
I will start with that row.
This one?
No.
This one?
Yes.
Why this one?
Because it looks Christmassy.
Because it looks Christmassy?
Yes.
No, see this. There is only one cell remaining in this big box. So then it's easier to fill in. What will it be?
It will be... Try to guess. It will be the Christmas tree.
Correct, because there is no Christmas tree anyways. Oh my God, Santa came early. Ho ho ho.
I could see him.
Now which cell will you do?
Now I will do that one.
Which is that?
That one.
This one, yes, because this is the only one left in this row.
Yes.
What is left here in this row?
The one that is left is a star.
Very good. Superb. Now which one will you do?
I'll do that one.
What is that and this? This one?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. The Christmas tree will come because if you see, there are only 2 cells left. And on the bottom square, there is already a Christmas
Very
tree
good.
in that
Superb.
line. So, in that one, the only thing will be a Christmas tree.
Superb.
So, in that square, oh my God! Santa Claus!
Very good. Superb. Now which one will you do?
Now I will do this one.
This one. Okay. Tell me, what can come here?
A Christmas tree can come.
Yes, because it's here. It's no
Yeah.
Christmas trees here and no Christmas
Yeah.
trees
So
here.
Christmas tree
But
can come.
will it
So
be final answer?
no. So go in pencil mode
Okay.
and put a Christmas tree.
Okay. Then, can
Now
Santa come?
Santa can't come because there is already a Santa in the box and a Santa in the row.
Very good. Can a star come?
A star cannot come because it's in the box. A present cannot come because it's in the box. A snowflake cannot come because it's in the line. So the only one left is also not a bell.
Yeah, because bell is also there. So
Yeah.
what's left?
So Christmas tree is left. Pencil board remove. Christmas tree. Yeah.
And so now what is this
So
left?
now the last one that is left is a yes. We are in India. How can snow come?
It's a snowflake. Very good.
Wow! I got a new Santa Claus present.
Very nice. Very nice. Now which one do you want to do next?
That one.
This one.
Yes.
But see, there are 3 squares remaining here. And there are 3 squares in this column. See here, there are only 2 squares remaining.
Oh,
So
I'll
try
do that.
these ones. Yeah. Come, let's start with this.
Over there, my final answer is the Santa Claus.
Why?
Because on the other cell in the line, Santa Claus is already there in that
Very
row.
good. So then this is only Santa. Correct. So what's left here now?
The one that is left is...
Think.
Let's mid-sync. I want so many things for Christmas. It's night time when Santa Claus comes. Stars, night time.
Very good. So star is left here because there is no star anywhere else. Good. Now, what
Now-
next?
Let's do these 3.
Okay, these 3 let's try. Try this one.
In this one, a Christmas tree cannot come. A Santa cannot come. Sorry, Santa Claus. A star cannot come because it's morning time. A present cannot come because Santa Claus didn't come yet. A snowflake can come.
Okay. So we'll write in pencil mode.
Because it's still winter.
Okay.
A bell cannot come.
Good.
So the final answer is a snowflake.
Good.
Yay! Now let's do this one. A Christmas
Okay,
tree.
1 minute. I'll stop you here. If you see you got a snowflake here and you
Yes.
got a snowflake here and you got a snowflake here. So in this box, where can the snowflake come?
In this box, the snowflake can come in here.
Yes, because here the snowflake is there, so it cannot come in any of these boxes.
Yes.
So this is the only place where we
Like
can
chess,
have a...
the king gets pinned.
So the snowflake can only come in this box, correct. Then
Now, let's do that box.
this one,
No.
this one. Okay.
So, in this, a Christmas tree cannot come. Santa cannot come because he is already next to this cell. A star cannot come. A present cannot come. A snowflake cannot come because we just put it there. And the bell can come. Final answer, bell.
Final answer?
Dong.
Then what will you do now?
In this square,
Because this is the only one left. in
it
this
will
line.
be the present.
Good.
So now in the same box, only one cell is remaining.
Yes.
And that one is the bell.
Very
Ding
good.
dong.
Superb.
Somebody's there. Wait, 1 second. I'll come.
Hey, finish
the
this
door.
box fast.
Fine. In this one, the only thing that is left is a star.
Very good. Because Christmas tree is there, Santa's there.
Five
What five?
stars.
Star.
5 stars.
Okay. Now, see this cell is remaining in this big
Yes.
box. What is that?
That will be a Christmas tree.
Next.
In this one, a Christmas tree cannot come. A Santa can come.
Yeah, because he's not there
Pencil
anywhere here.
board.
Hold on. Because he's not there anywhere here, he's not there anywhere here, and Santa's not there in this big box.
Pencil
Good.
board.
Explain to your viewers why Santa cannot come. Then there is a star here. It
Yes.
cannot come. A present. Can it
Present
come?
can come.
Okay.
Pencil mode, put a present. Because there is no present in that box.
Okay.
On
Snowflake cannot come.
Snowflake cannot
And bell
come.
cannot come.
Bell cannot.
Let's try this one.
Now in this one, a Christmas tree cannot come.
Now only 2 cells are left, no? So 2 items are only left. So only look at Santa and present.
Santa can come because you can't put a present because it's in that line.
So final
So,
answer.
the final answer is Santa.
Good.
And over here, remove a Santa. And
Yes,
the only
because
thing that is
Santa-
left is a present.
Santa cannot
Because
come.
Santa already left to give other people presents.
Santa cannot come here, right? Because Santa is already here. So what will be here?
Santa is in the
Presents.
other side of the world.
Perfect. Now,
We have only 3 cells. Come on. Now I'll tell you to answer these and I will give you a 10-second countdown. Now in this one, the only thing that is left is
2, 3,
3, 4,
4,
5, 6,
7, 8, 9,
10.
10.
If you got it correct, it is a bell.
Very good. This is the only one left
Ding
in this
dong.
column.
Yes. In this one, guess what comes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you got it correct, it is Santa. He came to your house today.
So now the last one remaining. What is that?
Last one. Yes. I will give you a 5-second countdown only now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you got it, it's a star. Ho, ho, ho.
We finished the
We got
Sudoku.
more presents.
Lovely. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel Rising Genius.